period 3 elements and the oxides multiple choice questions. Not many of these because period 3 elements and the oxides is literally just 2 pages full of equations and full of observations, and yeah, you just need to memorize. And so question 1, diagram shows a property period 3 elements varies across the period. What is a property? Now you can see that it goes from Na to magnesium, big increase, magnesium to aluminium, same, and then to silicon, massive increase. Reason being, silicon, macromolecular structure. So it's actually the melting point. Question 2, which element is in the F block of the periodic table? Another classic question, and this one requires you to go to the periodic table, which I did screenshot, but I probably forgot to open it. So hopefully I'm still recording. Yep. So F block. Well, it says, so we've got palladium. Is that in the F block? Palladium. F block is here. Let me draw out. That's the F block. That's the S block. It's not SPDF, SDP. The D block is in the middle of the periodic table, and you'll learn about that. Transition metals. Once you go through that topic, transition metals, metal equal ions, all of that, you'll go through them and you'll learn that D block is in the middle of the periodic table. We go through that again. So in this case, can't really see palladium. Phosphorus, definitely not. Platinum. Plutonium is there. It's right there. So the answer is going to be plutonium. Which of these period 3 elements has the highest melting point? Aluminium, phosphorus, sodium, sulfur. So P4 sulfur S8, and I'm left, obviously it's going to be between A and C because they're both metals, and the answer is going to be, well, if we're looking for the highest boiling point, we're looking for highest charge, so aluminium and sodium. Let's look in the periodic table. Aluminium, sodium, aluminium, sodium. This is going to be aluminium. It's got that 3+ charge, where sodium has only got an Na+ charge. Question 4. Which elements are shown in increasing order of the stated property? Atomic radius, phosphorus, P4, S8, and then we've got Cl2. First ionization energy, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Electronegativity, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon. Melting point, argon, Ar, chlorine, and sulfur. Is definitely going to be D. Definitely. Electronegativity, I don't even know if that's even correct or not, but it's definitely going to be D. First ionization energy, sodium. Yeah, it's probably going to have the lowest first. No, it's not. So if that's going to be definitely incorrect. And atomic radius, well, if it's atomic radius, surely sulfur would be last. Which element has the highest first ionization energy? So, previous question, which of these period 3 elements has the highest melting point? Aluminium, phosphorus, sodium, sulfur. Aluminium, phosphorus, silicon, sulfur. So literally, they've just copy and pasted and changed the question. Obviously, silicon's now added as well. Highest first ionization energy. Aluminium, phosphorus, silicon, or sulfur. It's going to be, well, let's look at the periodic table. Aluminium, phosphorus, silicon, or sulfur. Well, sulfur it's got the electron pair repulsion, two pairs of electrons, p orbitals, so therefore it's going to have a lower first ionization energy than phosphorus. So it's not going to be sulfur. And obviously first ionization energy increases across the period. So if it's not sulfur, then it's going to be phosphorus then. And that's how I would approach it. Question 6. Which element is in the D block of the periodic table? D block, aka the middle of the periodic table. Selenium. Selenium's right there. That's a P block, so that's not it. Antimony. I can't find it. Let's look for any others. Tantalum. And we've also got lead. There we go, tantalum. Now that's the end of multiple choice questions. Let's mark it. Question 1, D. Question 2, D. Question 3A. Question 4D. Question 5B. Question 6C. Perfect. That's the end of multiple choice questions.